Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today's video is related to a job recruitment. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. As we upload videos on daily basis, so if you are a job seeker, then you are at the right place. This will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So today we will talk about a program which is HashedIn by Deloitte, through which Deloitte is hiring for the freshers. So this is an opportunity for the freshers campus graduate 2022. So this is an amazing opportunity as at HashedIn by Deloitte for campus graduate passing out in 2022. So if you are interested, you need to apply through this registration form. Okay, so basically this is a DevOps engineer one job, like your designation will be DevOps engineer, and for before that you will be on a trainee post for 2 months. Okay, so if you get selected, first 2 months you will be working as a trainee, then you will be posted to DevOps engineer if your training or something anything goes well. Okay, so qualification to apply for this job are BE, B.Tech, MCA, M.Tech, and M.Sc. Okay, so all the BE, B.Tech, MCA, M.Tech, M.Sc from the CSE and aligned branches who have 60% or 6 CGPA overall and who are going to pass out in 2022 batch. Okay, so you can apply for this job. The desired skills they want are operating knowledge of Linux or Windows operating system, should have a strong knowledge in understanding system and network fundamental concepts, and knowledge in one or more scripting programming languages such as Java, Python, Bash. Then a knowledge of protocols, technologies like HTTPS, SSL, LDAP, and SSH, SAML, etc., and strong debugging and troubleshooting skills, and excellent communication and collaboration skills, and associate level certification from CSPs, AWS, Azure, GCP, and CKA, Red Hat certifications are a plus. Okay, so these all are the desired skills in you, and if you have a strong debugging and troubleshooting skills and excellent communication and collaboration skills, then that will be a add-on to your profile. Okay, so if you are one of the interested and eligible candidate, then you can find this link in the description box. You need to fill this registration form, so you need to provide your first name, your email ID, contact number, your gender, your source of application, where from where you get to know about this job, then college name, your academic degree, whatever degree you have done, academic branches. Okay, so these all our branches are eligible, and passing year, so that should be 2022 only. Okay, because 2022 is eligible only. Then you need to submit your registration form, and after submission, for further details they will mail you on your registered email ID. Okay, so this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.